Good morning. Happy Friday. For your literacy time today, I have a couple things I'm going to ask for you to do. With your cards that you made yesterday, hopefully you still have them, the word cards that you made for your matching game. Today I'm going to tell you something else you can do with those cards. If you don't still have them, you can make some more cards. But you're going to play a hopping game. You're going to tape the cards or lay them out on the ground, and you are going to hop from one card to the next card. When you land on the card, you need to read the card and say the word that's on there. If you've got sidewalk chalk, this would be something cool that you could do outside. You could write the words. You instead of using cards, you could write the words on the ground and hop from one word to the next. If you miss the word, if you have to go back to the place where you were before, and then of course if you don't read the word correctly, you would have to go back as well. So have some fun playing with this today, guys, and you can use the cards that you already made yesterday. Hopefully you still held on to them. Make up new cards, or like I said, go outside, use sidewalk chalk. That would be really cool on the driveway or the sidewalk. Okay. I also have a reading passage that I'm going to put up on the Facebook right below this video that I want you to read. Is called The Penguin Dance, and it's fun. I want you to read it, and then at the end of it, it asks you to make up your own dance as well, and you can send me videos of that. Okay, so have fun reading the passage, and just have a fun Friday, guys. Make it fun, okay? And remember to read 30 minutes today, okay? Take care. Bye.